So you have right here a knife. I can't believe Columbia River make a knife like that. And then you have a little tiny knife, like unboxing knife. And then another one right here. You just spin it open. And then you have right here 3 knives. How cool is that? Wow. So I guess you'd actually have to hold this one this way and this one this way. So you kind of got a claw and a regular of this kind of knife. That's so cool. Very sharp. And this one is serrated and non-serrated. Wow. And the third knife right here. So you got 3 knives. That is cool. One of a kind. I never seen anything like that. Sometimes I discover vintage knives and I was like, wow, I wish I have found it a long time ago, but it's okay. We keep looking for more. You know what? This is why I make videos. This is like a fun hobby that I have. You put the knife through here and just close it. Boom. Arizona Custom Knives. This one is special. One of a kind folding axe knife. This is super unique. I'll put links in description. Wow. You know what? Seeing it on a video or in person is totally different than seeing on the pictures. Looks like carbon fiber. And there's a out of side. I might have to hold down over here to see what happens. Oh, not too bad. Never know what the kick is going to be. That looks like an ice axe. It's not for everybody. It is pretty expensive. Yeah, that's beautiful. Check this out. Look at that. And it's out of side. Boom. So how would you hold it? There's a finger holds right here, or that you would hold it, I guess, this way right here, like a little, I guess, ice pick knife. That is one of a kind. I love it. Have you ever seen anything like that? It looks like a knife but opens like an axe. That is insane. This is a very unique trapdoor side opening knife. I'm trying to figure out how it opens. It's huge. Wow, check this out. I have big hands and this is incredibly big knife. So yeah, it slides in right here and it's, I guess, catches into here, into the handle and the blade. Beautiful. And then you hold it together, all together. But yeah, let's open it. Wow, that's definitely one of a kind. I think you can flip it, open it and close it. Let's see. Kind of. Let's lift up the camera a little bit so that way we can do this proper way. Boom, lock it. This is fun, don't you guys think? Open it, lock it. Burns knife. Hopefully I pronounce it well, but this right here is a barrel knife. One of a kind. There's right here a little button you press on and pull the whole knife out. Then you unfold this and look at that. Beautiful little Dagger style blade, and then you put it back in the same way you took it out. Looks like made out of brass, and there's a lock right here. It will, boom, lock back in. And then you have right here really thick, funky looking knife, but so unique. I love it. I owned it at some point, one of these different handle. That looks like petrified wood. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Petrified wood, it's like, I guess, like a stoned wood, like that become a rock. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, that is incredible. I'll put links in description if you want one of these knives. Check it out, how much it cost. Then looks like this knife is actually not sharp at all. It's like a letter opener. It's definitely sharp over here. That's it. So you just close it this way, open it this way, put it back away. Which way? Same way you put it. Love it. One of a kind. That's awesome. Another 10 mil, number 15. Look at that packaging. Just amazing. Let's take this out. Wow, where's the knife gonna come out? Look like out of side. Is it bolt action safety pin? I mean, that's insane. Is it a lefty? I have no idea how to open them. I got it from Arizona Custom Knife. Trapdoor.com. They presented it to me to film somebody, show off some of their knives that is for sale, that is unique like that, handmade. There's definitely a button that's got to be safety right here, and out of sight. Wow, that was quick. What is this? Let's press a button. Okay, it locks it, no problem. So out of sight, press button right here, nothing. I have no idea what that is. Okay, still works like out of sight. What is that for? I have no idea. You know what, does it fly out not as hard or something? You know what, that's like some kind of launcher. There you go. You put some kind of thing in here, like a little like toothpick, and then you just press this way, boom, and it launches the toothpick. That's pretty insane. Lock it this way to where it's not loaded. Whenever you load it, you lock it this way, put the toothpicks through or whatever, and then launch it. Wow. And then you set it this way whenever you don't want to launch it. 10 mil out the side. This is probably the simplest one, but it's much bigger. JP USA 000. Wow, that's definitely like a prototype or something. That is cool. Look at that handle. It looks super rustic and ready to be used. I don't know if it's ever been used, but it looks super cool. So this one just out the side with this safety. Protect whiskers. This one is pretty unique. I like unique mechanism and unique knives. That's what I try to show you guys off, and I like collecting them as well. So let's see what's so special about this Protect. Pretty standard, simple, around $250. But how do you pull the knife out? It has a little secret. As you can see, there's no button or anything that you can push on to fly it open, but there is a scale. You push on the whole scale right here, and you kind of have to push quite hard. Boom. That's serial number 421. So you actually push on top. Usually I'm used to pushing it down here, so you push right here. You see? The whole thing slides out. That's what's so unique about that knife. I like that. Protects are pretty cool. But yeah, simple blade, 154cm blade, steel. Very lightweight, super unique assistant, scaleless, hidden feature right here, so that way most people don't even know how to open it unless you have learned it or watched that video. 10 mil, look at that one. Out the front again. Well, let's find out. I'm at Arizona Custom Knives, never seen one of these before. Wow, that's a Dagger style. Look at that thick blade. That is beautiful. I love that rustic look to it, like it's been used even though it's new. That's insane. So that safety, there's no safety. The only way to put it on safety is just release it. No? Okay, you press this button, you can release it. There is no safety on that knife. That is awesome. That's one of a kind. I love that, like a barrel look to it, and heat treated, or how do they do that? Let me know in comments below. That's amazing. So you press it, you release it, lock it, and there is no safety. The only way to activate it is just pull it here. That's it. One of these ice picks, OTF, out of front. Check this out. To pull it back in, you push it this way, then you lock it in. It has a little clip, but yeah, so rustic, really oily. You spin it 1, 2, and you have a nice ice pick. That's so cool that you just lift it out and then close it this way. 1, and then there's a second pull, that's another pull, and then a third pull. Wow, that is so cool. That is very unique out of phone ice pick. Vintage OTF Microtech. These ones are really hard hard to get, and there's a few different kinds. So right now it's on safety. There's fire safety, and then you just press it right here. Oh, boom. I guess it was on fire. Wow, look how long that is. These knives are extremely rare, different kinds. Some of them partial serrated, some of them serrated, but look how awesome that works. You just press this and then pull on that, and there's the name of the knife. It's number 10 out of 98. Nemesis, that's the name of it, 1997 patent painting, and it's Microtech. Super rare, hard to get. And then again, safety, fire, boom, comes out pretty nice. And again, if you don't know how to open it and close it, you'll have hard time with that. You see, super easy. This is a really expensive, like over $2,000 knife. Got another vintage Microtech, about 4 years old. It's 2018. Look at that. Got it here, Morphin logo, and whenever you open it, it's a hellhound blade, but also painted. It's so unique. This is a collector piece. And signature series 2018. There's no serial number on that one, so maybe a prototype. I have no idea. So that's cool. That is very collectible and hard to find. Next, I got it here, Hawk Auto signature series, carbon fiber inlay, DLC standard, DLC hardware, all the good stuff. These ones are also extremely hard to find. You don't see them very often. You see the carbon fiber right here, and Hawk Auto 264 serial number, 2020 signature series. Boom. The pull on that is so hard. You see, if I hold it with 2 fingers, the recoil is so hard. Love that knife. But yeah, you got kind of like a carabiner style knife. Would be perfect to like tear up the boxes, open boxes, take them apart. You see how there's like a little claw. Would be easy to go into the box and tape. Microtech M390 steel. I love that knife a lot. Next, I got it here signed by Morphin Sakoma Elite Auto Tactical Standard. That one not as epic, but the box is signed. These ones are also very rare, hard to find. Do you see this recoil? Kicks. 2022, this one is much newer, and it's 7,795. So there's quite a few of them out there, but the shape blade is pretty cool.